It's been a tumultuous year so far, leading to extremely rapidly changing markets. David Barrett from EBC Financial Group joins me now to try to steer us through this maelstrom. David, welcome.
Nice to see you again, Paul. Thank you for having us.
Now, with ongoing geopolitical tensions and policy shifts across major economies, how is EBC helping clients manage risk in such a fragmented global landscape?
Fragmented, good word. Chaos, another word. The volatility that we've seen this year, even just the first 6 months, has been extraordinary. Everybody likes moving markets, but I think some of the stuff that we saw, particularly in sort of April and May, was very, very extreme. I mean, I've been doing this for an awful long while. There are periods of extreme volatility that happen, but to have it happen in such a random way that we've seen has been very difficult. There's a lot of clients that just are not used to that and are not set up to deal with it. A lot of clients that deal in the markets these days tend to trade in a fairly systematic way, so they'll have trading algorithms or models that help them trade. Many people have got used to the mean reverting market, so they sell rallies, wait for it to come, buy dips, wait for it to come back. And clearly we saw such huge moves that actually that kind of trading pattern in the short term, particularly at the beginning, suffered a lot. And I think clients have had to adapt to that. We've seen change in the way that the flow's coming through. We've seen the change in the way that different sectors of client base are reacting to it. And I think it's our responsibility to give them the tools to be able to do that. But I don't think anybody should ever look back on the last 6 months and think that's normal and acceptable, because it was just off the scale. It really was.
So how are traders rethinking risk, and what tools or strategies does EBC advocate for navigating this environment?
I think they do need to adjust, and I think people do need to take a step back and understand that what we're seeing isn't normal and they need to adjust for it. So our advice to clients has been take it back a bit, smaller positions, less leverage, and take your time, because if you look at the volatility, you look at the extreme moves we've had, it's created a huge amount of opportunity to enter and exit positions at levels and at timing that you never would have thought would have been there in ordinary markets. So our advice has consistently been that you need to be careful, you need to preserve your capital as well as trying to increase it. And we believe that the opportunities given by the volatility mean that you can take your time, take a step back and do it in a more methodical manner than just jumping in with both feet.
Have traders been changing their behaviour accordingly?
Yeah, I think they have. As we said earlier, I think the obtuse volatility we've seen was quite startling for some people. There are people trading the markets that haven't seen that. We have clients from a full spectrum. Some of our entities will deal with retail. In the UK, we only deal with professional. We have brokers, we have high net worth individuals, as well as the retail guys and family offices and so on. So there's a full breadth. I think the more professional end understand that this stuff can happen, but there will be a lot of young retail traders that wouldn't have seen this. And hopefully it's been a good education and a lesson for them, but I do suspect that some of them kind of baptism of fire. April in particular was pretty nasty.
Thanks for watching. Learn more at ebc.com. Click now for more videos from this interview with David Barrett, and please subscribe for the latest international business insights from worldfinance.com.